Welcome back to Stocklabs. We just finished up the month of September, so it's time to check back in on the Stocklabs Quant, which was a bad month. No two ways around it. I mean, September was tough. The market just kind of walked down the entire time, basically start to finish. It was like the high was on the first trading day of September, and the low for the month was on September 30th, last day. So you didn't really have a whole lot of ups and downs to try and manage anything. Not that this portfolio particularly does that, but just in general, yeah, tough month. Because if you made all your allocations like this portfolio does on the first of the month or the first trading day of the month, and everything just goes straight down from there, then I mean, there's nothing you can really do about it. Actually, the calendar changed over to October already, so this month to date is wrong. But if I just go to P&Ls, all these positions are equal weight. So the total at the bottom, yeah, minus 7% for the month. This is probably the worst month the quant has had in forever, like maybe all time. I mean, definitely since Stocklabs started, there might have been a rough month in back when it was getting run on Exodus. Um, maybe in the March 2020 sell-off or the fourth quarter 2018 sell-off. Could have been something there. But yeah, this was pretty bad. So two stocks up, D-Dog and Dynatrace, and barely up. So D-Dog plus 3%, Dynatrace up 2%. The rest, not great. I mean, the NASDAQ was down, I think, was it 6%, maybe 5-6% or something for the month. So anything tech related was just getting hosed the whole month. You could see even stuff like Facebook. I mean, TerraCap Tech down 11%. Nvidia down 7%. These are like workhorse stocks that people are always piling into. Nike down 12%. I think they had earnings and maybe had some downbeat forecast or something, talking about all the same stuff we've been hearing, supply chain stuff or whatever. But yeah, and then the worst performers, GNOG, not really sure what that is, but looks like just probably a smaller stock, gaming stock. Maybe it's a casino or something. PAGS, ESTC, a Net. I mean, Net's been a strong performer like for months and months, down 12%. Like it's not even a big deal. And even though like some software was sort of hanging in all month. I mean, didn't do terrible, but this was one of them that was in here, and it did get hit. Yeah, so I don't know I don't know if anything's gonna get refactored for October. If he's thinking maybe that there's some sort of regime change, maybe he'll change how some of the allocations are made. But yeah, got whacked. I think it was up 27% coming into the month. So you lopped, 7-8% off of that, 19% year to date, which still beating the market ish, but it's getting closer. I don't know. For some reason, I never look up exactly what the market's up whenever I do these, but I think it's up like I don't know. S&P could be 13-ish%. That's a total guess. So, but yeah, it's somewhere around there. Yeah, so let's look forward to hopefully a better month in October. I don't know if we're going to get it, but maybe a little bit more two-way volatility as opposed to just a grind lower. I mean, even that would be better because people are a little more confident picking stocks and sticking with them. Like volatility is fine, but like if it's just a drip and grind lower, that's really sort of demoralizing and usually, ends up I'm not going to use the word crash, but it doesn't end well before it resolves itself. Okay, so yeah, let's look for better times ahead. I'm just going to go to year to date and see the breakdown if it loads. Breakdown. It's not going to load. Anyway, okay, so table returns. Really, the whole summer was kind of weak. I mean, August got a nice bounce to send it to highs, but then just gave it all back in September. So, um, yeah, that's that. I wish this chart would load, but right now I'm a little bit. I guess this is running a little bit slow. So yeah, October coming up, Halloween coming up, start of the fourth quarter coming up, and yeah, good luck everyone out there. Anyone following along, new allocation to get posted in the morning on October 1st, Friday.